Zosamus here, making sure this works. Sorry for the late intro. And my little brother Dan is here with us again, playing with my little bitty Mario Kart 7, dude.
And
Who knows how old this thing is? Who knows how old this thing is?
It's kind of old.
It's a couple years old. Honestly.
Today, he will be racing this dude.
And I'm going to cream him because Dan has to help to throw him way over to the finish line. In one shot.
Where's the finish line? You know where the finish line is?
And the finish line just so happens to be way over there.
Where?
Meaning,
that box?
pretty much.
Okay.
Meaning, Dan, get out of the way of the camera. Meaning, he has to throw this little doohickey all the way over there in one go. Otherwise,
It would have spin out down.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Go! 1! Holy crap! You gotta throw him at a reasonable speed, not 95,000 million miles per hour. Okay, that was close. That was close again. Let's go, Dan. 3, 2, 1, go! That don't count. Mario died. Let's see me roll. Wait. Trying to get this at a good angle for this. No. Oh wait. Close them. And this work? Nope.
Let's try the inside.
No.
What are we trying to record, boys?
Right now we're making a video.
About racing.
Pretty much.
End up in the corner over there.
Right here.
Or the corner.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Look at it and make sure you can see what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Meow. Yeah.
Okay, well then, don't hit it.
Okay.
I hope it don't.
Alright, go! Oh, Dan missed it.
No.
I made it. I'm the best. Da-da, I'm the best. Da-da-da. Retarded dancing. Da-da-da-da-da. Bump.
That's it. It's time for you to get on.
Yeah. Green jeans. Little Woody got a brand new car.
You better hope you can.
Look at this.
You better hope you can beat your own person.
Okie doke. Prepare to get wrecked. Fake Luigi clone. Die. Then 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, you missed. I win. Oh yeah. What the heck? This is a Demolition Derby? Demolition Derby! It is a Demolition Derby. Just let me rock you. Quit jumping. Start kicking, bro. Die! Yeah. Die! You're out of gas. Meaning you're screwed. You
Yeah,
are
Ken.
screwed.
Yeah.
No. Come in. Where's your #1, Mamacita?
You'll never find out where I am.
Okay. Try to find out where you
Ah!
are. Nintendo. Sega Genesis. Dang! No one wants to see your face, the whole bin. Quit wrecking the car! Quit wrecking the car, man! guys, you're buying it. And you got... Dude, close the refrigerator. Bye! Screw you! I can't even see what's going on. At least let me see what happens. Dude, you just made the car hit it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Bye, guys. See you next time. Then say bye.
Oh, yeah, time. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Bye from Awesome Lewis.
You want to make another video?